and we would want to call the people of the Jama'at back to the broader Islam, or amongst Ahlul Islam, and this includes everyone who we deem as Muslim. You come back to those things which are essential beliefs for all Muslims. This is how we interpret the hadith of the sects. 72 sects will go hell, one won't. What do we say? That's the Muslim Ummah who accept the necessities. We don't divide the Muslim Ummah up. Yes, we have sectarian differences. We address one sect and another. If individuals do kufr, we do takfir of the individuals. But we don't do general takfir of masses of groups of Muslims. Like I don't declare the Wahhabis kuffar. I don't declare the Shia kuffar. I don't declare the Deobandis kuffar. I will declare specific people in them kuffar, specific cases as kuffar. But as a group, we say they're a part of the Ummah as long as they accept the necessities of the deen. My call to the Jamaat here in the UK, to Masroor Sahib, to all his followers, is you come back to Hawzat al-Islam, you come back to the mainstream, come back to what Imam Abu Ja'far al-Tahawi wrote in his Aqidah, Bayan al-Sunnati wal-Jama'ah. Come back to that, adopt one of the 4 schools, and then you will be our brothers. We will eat your dhabiha, we will intermingle, and everything else will apply. But until that is not done, you cannot reject the mainstream, the main beliefs, those things which are known in necessity in Islam. And no one from the Jamaat should be killed wrongly. I would say that openly. I'm against persecution. No one, the children, the women, the men who are innocent, if in those cases, persecution of killing people in the Jamaat, we do not want your blood. That's a false dichotomy. Razi came down to see me. No one went after his blood. Rahil was there. Ibrahim Sahib was there. No one is after your blood. We want to bring you back to the mainstream body of Muslims. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enable us to do this, and that is the outcome of this debate. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله لي ولكم.